guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and welcome to you guys that have been around for a while. I hope you guys are enjoying my video, and if you are new to this video or to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and follow my hair journey. I'm gonna be posting different things about hair, and right now I'm focusing on hair growth. I know a lot of people are saying I just need a healthy hair. I need a healthy hair, and I need more growth to my hair too. So that's why I created this YouTube channel, so you guys can follow me on this journey. And right now my focus is more on using this rice water that has been going around, and to be quite frank, it's actually helping the growth of my hair, and that's why I'm trying different things with rice water. And the last thing that I tried for 2 weeks ago was the rice water hairspray, and I made a video on that. You guys can go and look at that video before you watch this one if you haven't seen that. I'm just here to give you guys a quick update on my hairspray video that I did the last time, because I changed some few things, and I just want to show you guys how it has been going. It's been over 2 weeks now, but first I want to show you guys the length of my hair compared to a length check I did from November, so you guys can see the difference. And I actually make a length check in February. I'll put the video somewhere around here so you guys can see the difference from November to February. To be honest, I actually have been seeing some difference actually the past 2 weeks that I've been using this. Now, one of the differences that I have been noticing since using this rice water hairspray every day is that my hair has been getting more fuller, especially from the scalp. I don't know, it's because some new growth are coming out, and my hair is more stronger, because before that it's very easy to break, but I can feel that my strands are getting more stronger. And on my wash day, I actually don't have that much shedding that I was having before, which is very good. And my scalp, because I have a very dry scalp, so spritzing my hair daily with my rice water spray helps my scalp to be moisturized, and it don't feel that dry like it was before. So those are the differences that I have been noticing since I started using this rice water hairspray. My hairspray bottle actually lasts for 2 weeks, and I actually have to do a new one. That's why I'm making this video, to like give you guys an update. There is not that much difference from the last mixture. The only difference is that I'm gonna be adding some tea tree oil in it, which helps too with the hair growth. And I'm still gonna be using my peppermint oil, because this is very good for my scalp. And I'm still using my Cantu shea butter natural hair comeback oil. And the other difference from my last video is that I fermented this rice water like for a day. So like I said before, for this new mixture I'm gonna be using peppermint oil and tea tree oil, and I will be using my Cantu shea butter comeback oil. And this time I'm gonna be using a fermented rice that has been fermenting for 24 hours. And last but not least, just some water. I'm just gonna be mixing up the rice to get out all the nutrition, and I'm gonna pour the rice water in a clean jar, just separating the rice water from the rice. Now this is the amount of fermented rice water I get. I'm gonna add in my Cantu. I'm just gonna pour in. There you go. I can't find any big jar right now, so I'm just gonna be doing the mixture in this too. I will just add some water in this empty jar, and then I'll just be mixing these two together. There. And I'm gonna add in like 5 drops of tea tree oil, and 5 drops of peppermint oil, And I'll be mixing these two together again too. So that's the mixture. I'm gonna pour this in the spray bottle, and the rest I think I'm gonna find another spray. Just pour in all the mixture in here. So that's my hairspray. Fermented rice water hairspray. This is my hairspray all done, and I have a whole more, but this one I'm gonna put this one in another container. Just like that. My hair is all dumped in the mixture, so I'm just gonna be putting that back up in a bun. Yeah, and I'm good to go. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and follow me on this hair journey, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.